Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. So today I have a fun Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. The Dollar Tree that I went to yesterday actually had their Christmas items at 50% off. Now, normally when I get a chance, there's about 4 Dollar Trees around me that I would normally go to, but the last year, really, I've only been getting around to one a week. And this particular Dollar Tree I love because I do find that they mark their seasonal things down half price after the specific holiday is done. Let me know in the comment section below if your Dollar Trees do the same, or do they just keep them at regular price and eventually fade them out. Well, now they have been bringing in Valentine's Day items, and they only had a little bit set up, and I didn't see any boxes laying around so that I could be nosy and see what else is coming up. But with the things that they did put out, I was super excited, and I did bring some of them home. So as usual, here is an overview of the things that I did pick up at my Dollar Tree. I will go through them one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so to start off the haul, I picked up these sequin keychains, and this one is white and then it turns to red. I picked up this other one that is red and then turns to silver. So I thought these were really adorable. I then came across these mini silicone spatulas. So they say wash before use, safe for all cookware, heat resistant to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and dishwasher safe. I thought these were super cute. I'll probably just add them in my travel trailer since they are a little bit of a smaller size, but they are adorable. So this first one has strawberries on it with a pink background, and they do have the wooden handle. The white background with the cherries. White background with grapes, and then on the back they are a solid color, and then this green background with lemons. So cute. And then I picked up a couple necklaces. I thought they were so pretty. They are from Over the Rainbow. And I can remember when I used to start going to Dollar Tree, I used to go for their jewelry because they actually had quite a bit of like costume jewelry. And I purchased tons of rings there. You know, the rose ring that was really popular at one time. I used to be able to pick them up there. And then eventually they just got rid of their jewelry. So I think this one here is a really cute brand that they have, and they really do have adorable jewelry. I do pick up some things for my daughter, but this one here, I actually picked it up for me. I thought it was so pretty. It is the double necklace that has the larger circle and then the smaller circle, so it's like one chain. Well, they're two chains, but they are together like one necklace. I thought that was so pretty. And they do say they are lead and nickel free, so I thought just for fun to try that out. And then the second one that I picked up for my daughter has this little heart on it, which I thought was really pretty. Next, I came across some new candle holders. At least I've never seen these ones at my Dollar Tree, but they are really nice. I like that they have a glossy finish. They are ceramic, and I just thought they were really nice. And I saw two different styles. So the first one is this one, and it came in a white as well as the black. And then my favorite of the two is this one here. I really, really love that. So they had it in white and black as well. And then I was really excited to see these planters, and yes, it is 8 inches and they look like a wooden barrel. So I thought these were awesome. I should have picked up a couple more, but they are in like a brown wood finish, but they are plastic. So that was another exciting find. Some decor pieces I picked up. These I believe they had last year, and you can hang these. They have the openings in the back so that you can hang them up. So this one says love. And then this one here, XOXO. And these I believe are new, and I absolutely love these. So these are like the MDF particle board. And then they layered on top the metal. So I picked up XOXO and love. And these were the only two that I saw. But I absolutely love these. I then came across 2 items that I was really excited about. The first are these heart grapevine. So pretty, and you do get 5 in a pack. And then this garden stake. How adorable is this? A metal watering can. I was so excited to come across this. Some more decor pieces that I flipped over. So here in the Valentine's Day section, these decor wall hanging pieces. You can see it's the particle board again on the back, but it looks like a faux wood in the front. And I think these are about like an 8 by 10. So really, really nice. And I saw 2 different ones. This was the first. It says love makes a house a home. And the black lettering has glitter on it, but so pretty with the pale blue and pink. And then this one here says family is the heart of our home, with the white background and the pink and purple and red heart. And then again, the lettering has that glitter on it, which is so pretty. And then I came across these metal hammered galvanized decor pieces. You hang them up by the jute twine here. And I saw 4 different ones of these. So the first one says shoot for the stars. And again, it's like that particle board, but then it looks like faux wood on the front. But this one was in blue. Then the other 3 just look like the faux wood. This adorable paw print, which spells out love. A heart that says this is us. And then the last one with a house that says bless our home. And to end off the haul, there were 3 other signs that they had hung up. I cannot wait to see what other signs that they have for this year, but these 3 I absolutely love. So the first one is this heart. It looks like faux wood, but it's just a print on it. It's not actually like it's glossy. And then it has the love word, which is metal. Super cute. And then you hang it up with the jute twine. So I really like this one. And then the adorable gnomes. And I absolutely love these two gnomes. They are a little over a foot and they are super, super cute. So the back is just the particle board or MDF. And I saw they had the two, one in the red and one in the pink. The one in the red is holding up a heart that says love, and you can see the heart and his hands are sticking out above the rest of the gnome. And then the pink one has the XOXO. And then of course the XO and the love word has the glitter on it, as well as the hearts that are in their hats. But they are too cute. So adorable. And guys, that will do it for this Dollar Tree haul. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It greatly helps my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.